I don't think you see how bad your attitudes are. You come into class like it's a pain in the butt.
What
You
should we
don't.
speak
You don't
next?
care about rules. You just, you know, it's
So who speaks next?
seriously.
We're gonna have
You need
Isaac
to
once he gets
start
back.
looking at
Well, I
how
mean,
you
like,
look. And
but
people don't
why don't we just
point
do
it
like
out.
full, like
Not
all
that
of ours,
strict.
and just like get it in?
I probably wouldn't be at school right now.
No, but you argue. That's the thing. It's
I know,
argue.
I argue when I don't do crap.
Well, that's an attitude.
Whoa.
And you're not gonna
Nobody
get.
likes to get in trouble for something they didn't do.
But you know what? You're too into yourself. Start thinking about what's gonna make you a mature
How am I into
individual.
myself though? By sharpening my
Because
pencil?
you should have been sitting there listening to me. Sharpening your pencil
How
is
was
not.
I supposed to be listening to you when I pencil?
How are you gonna
Like, it's
learn
like
if the teacher's teaching and you're back with a pencil sharpener?
You didn't tell me I couldn't.
But
You said you should have said come sit down and
But you're
listen.
13 or 14. I
And then
shouldn't
you just
tell you
freaked
that.
out on me.
I did freak out on you. You deserve
could've
to
just
be
told me
freaked
that I
out
didn't.
on.
I deserve to be freaked
Yes,
out.
your behavior stinks. It
No.
needs to change.
No one deserves to be
If
freaked
nobody,
out on.
you know what? If nobody freaks out on you, you're never gonna change. That's the problem. People don't
Change
freak
by
out on
doing what?
kids
What did I
anymore.
do?
I just told you.
By sharpening my pencil. I get freaked out on.
You're not getting it. That's what bothers me.
All the other classes I sharpen my pencil and it's fine.
Because people are not as strict anymore. And that's why sometimes we're not as good anymore.
Whatever.
Now, whatever is
Whatever.
his.
I don't
See,
care.
your attitude's worse than his.
I don't care.
I know you don't. It's obvious.
I didn't do anything. I
You
don't
probably
care.
wouldn't come to school if you didn't have to.
Whatever.
If you can't take this, how can you take
I sharpened my
anything?
damn
You can't take
pencil.
someone in your face, can ya? You can't take someone in your face.
And you can't take me sharpening my pencil.
Okay, let me explain it again. Are you ready to open your mind and listen to what I'm saying?
My mind is
Yeah,
open.
yeah.
Yeah, I just
It
need this
doesn't
stupid
seem to
one.
be.
I'm stupid.
Did I?
Pretty much.
That's an attitude. I did not say the word stupid. All I've ever done
There you
is
go.
help you.
Tell me.
That's another thing that just bugs me. I've never done anything but try and help you.
This is what I've been
Guys. Okay. When a teacher is starting to teach or teach you something, that's your cue that you should be listening. And if you're in the back of the room, if you made the choice to go sharpen your pencil, you totally missed what I taught.
Okay?
How did you
You want me to
that
write
one
something on my paper? I didn't know what the exact words were on my paper. Something about geography. I don't know what you said. But on
How
our
can
freshman
you if you're
year.
back on your sharpening your pencil?
How can I when my pencil's not sharpened?
Do you think if you listen first and then go sharpen it, it would be smarter,
I don't know.
wiser? Because then you come back and you have no
I think I
clue.
read it.
I know what you said. I just didn't know what you told me. Like,
What
I
did
know what
say?
you exactly. George to write something on a freshman year or something geography. I don't know, something
I
like
won't do
that.
anything.
Okay.
And I didn't know what the last word was.
Use your raise your hand.
I think it looks better like that.
Alright.
Because usually most people want to get in.
If you would have learned it first and then gone to sharpen your pencil, we're all better for it.
Well, I got up before you started and got my pencil and I see that it was being sharpened, so I went and sharpened it. And then you started.
You should always learn and listen first.
I wish Noah didn't take the other one so we could.
I'd like for you guys to sit together every time, but the reason I've separated is you work better when you're not like each other.
But we were working better in the first place. And he wasn't talking to me, I wasn't
And we
talking to
have-
him.
Doesn't matter, literally,
Do you
you
think?
know, I couldn't tell
Do you
you.
think?
I just know when you're in class together, you're better separated. If you were in my class, you would do better. If I had you every day, you would probably do really well. And my class is separated because I'd be breathing down your necks till you started to just do it.
Yeah, but I can't even see him outside of school because I've been freaking around it.
Is that why you're mad? Is that why you're mad?
No, it's just stupid because nobody
It is.
freaking lets us sit together ever. And when we don't even do crap, we get in trouble for supposedly talking and looking at each other like, duh, like, oh, I'm looking at my friend, I'm sorry.
Okay, but how come you're grounded from each other?
Well, I'm not, I'm grounded from everybody.
But why are you not grounded from everybody?
Well, I'm not necessarily grounded exactly like she let me go into us yesterday, but not exactly.
Nice, but she yells a lot.
Not really.
Yeah, I know.
But should that
Just
come to
because of that.
school? Should that have anything, I mean, it does have bearing on how we behave and how we are us. But then it's like, what you do to get grounded? I mean, if I get grounded and I need to fix something,
Yeah,
did you fix it?
I don't know because I don't know even what I got grounded for. I never just I complained
Ground
about
yourself for some stuff.
That might be what's affecting your attitude then.
Yeah, I get in trouble for. Apparently, I supposedly mouth off to people, but I just try to prove a point. Like, what did I do to get in trouble? Like, exactly.
Well, I went through it with Maddie after you left, you know, she fucked up and quit. You gotta quit that.
I know, I used to, and then I'm like, well, I'm not gonna take crap anymore because everybody kept on freaking doing this, and I'm like, okay, well then,
Everybody got doing it.
like teachers and everything last year and stuff. I used to get embarrassed when people were saying that I didn't do crap because like when I didn't even say, oh yeah, I didn't do this, I didn't do that, I just took it, and then I felt like a freaking retard.
People put you on the spot, when you didn't get it
And
done.
then when
Why didn't you get it done?
Well, I meant like, let's say I ask a question or something,
Yeah.
and they yell at me for like talking or something. I didn't say, oh yeah, I was just asking a question. I just felt freaking embarrassed because I was like a retard.
I think if you would raise your hand every time, when you're in a group, and I just took that to Maddie and on about it, because it's very hard when you're trying to teach 25 kids that they can work. And that might be why you get yelled at. I just yelled at them today, because it's like, gosh, you know, I'm trying to get your attitudes and trying to get your stuff. That's my problem. I'll do it, and I'll fight it. And I'll fight you until you stop. Your own nice self is the best way to be. Regardless of how other people treat you, there's a lot of other nice people out there.
Yeah, do you think
It's better to err on the side of nice, like you were before.
Oh, actually,
Rather
yeah.
than err
We
into
just
it.
stay here because you have our stuff, right?
Yes, I mean, I've seen.
Do you have all your stuff?
Yes.
Then we will pay up to the back of this. Oh, wow. Right here.
I think sometimes you guys have been.
You should really go.
Go.
You should really go to the game.
It's just comments.
I don't know. If I had like my phone, I would call them. I think I had the pre-order.
Oh, really?
It's hard to believe, because I talk to my mom about that sometimes too. You gotta practice always being respectful. Because how do you practice to
And not just love the feel of his shoes. His shoes are good.
Okay, I'm not gonna bother you.
Dude, I thought that was me. Like you, like here, go back, slide back. You look at me, like you looked at me
Like
for
we
a
even
second.
talked about it
Yeah,
before, like we were gonna try to talk as much as we were gonna separate.
Now, listen up, if you can't get to your moms or they don't know how to help you, I walk home